and welcome to Zinda CPWD. Are you a CPWD contractor struggling with complexities of ERP billing? We have made it easier than ever to get the professional support you need. In just few clicks, you can request personalized quotation directly from our website, and I am going to show you exactly how to do it. Trust me. By end of this video, you will see CPWD ERP billing service is the perfect solution for your needs. Ready? Let's dive in. It's on Chrome page. Here you can search zindacpwd.in. This is our website first page. You can see here about us, services, contacts us, and news and updates. In that you need to click service, scroll down. Here you can see ERP billing service. Get quote for free. Click get quote for free. Here first you need to enter your name, project type, select repair work or original work, whichever you need. Here your NIT document need to upload. Once uploaded, it shows like that. Then scroll down. Upload LOA or LOC document here. Once uploaded, it will be show like that. You can enter your start date of your whom you need to contact from us. You can enter the details of them. Email ID. Then your contact number. Here you can submit. And just like that, you have successfully requested your personalized quotation from Zinda CPWD. Is that simple? We are here to take the hassle out of our ERP billing so you can focus on what you do best, managing your projects. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips and share it with your fellow contractors. Need more help or have questions? Drop them in comments below or reach out through our website. We are here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.